like a year and I keep doing this. Here's the thing, I love fall. I know it's August, but does that really matter? Home decorating is my new hobby. The way that this just brought me so much peace, decorating my house for the fall, is unreal. As someone who struggles with severe seasonal depression, I have to get on top of things before things get on top of me, okay? Decorating, preparing myself mentally for fall, this has just contributed so much to my serotonin, and I'm here for it. I feel like a lot of us that do suffer from seasonal depression, the reason why our moods are really triggered is because of it getting dark quicker, you know, being kind of gloomy, cold. You just have to mentally prepare yourself to be in that element and romanticize it, which is what I've been doing. So if you guys struggle like me, I really hope you guys can find some joy in whatever it is that fall has to offer, like pumpkin spice, warming up with cozy blankets, watching a funny movie, watching a fall movie or a fall show. I've been really into Gilmore Girls recently. And then obviously decorating your house. You don't even have to go all out like I did, but you can just get like a little pumpkin, a real pumpkin, some candy corn. Just make your house or your space, your dorm, your room, just feel more inviting, more warm, more cozy, you know? I'm really excited because I haven't shown you guys my new home yet. I moved into my new house about a year ago. This is gonna be my first year here decorating fully because last year I didn't really go all out. So I wanna show you guys what I came up with, how everything turned out. And if you guys are excited as I am, keep on watching and let's get right into the video. Hey y'all, okay, so we're about to go to Target today and TJ Maxx. This whole week I've been going crazy at all the stores. I went to Marshall's yesterday, I went to Bath & Body Works, I went to the Dollar Tree. I'm just doing it all, okay? I will prevail this fall. Last year, 2021, 2020, 2023 though? Yeah, don't play with me. We're going crazy. It's about to look like a harvest up in here. It's about to look like a pumpkin patched its first patch up in here. Up in this place. When better to decorate than the fall time? Colors, the smells, the treats, the desserts, the food. That's what we're doing. We're gonna go fall shopping today. Like I said, I went Bath & Body Works shopping yesterday, so I got a bunch of candles. They had 4 buy 2 get 2 free, so I kind of came up, y'all. Okay, y'all, we have made it to TJ Maxx. Let's go inside and see what it's talking about. So I found this really cute amber flower vase, I guess, I'm gonna put on the counter. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do with this when I get back. Also look for a dough bowl for my entryway so I can just have something to decorate. I could use something like this. Is the centerpiece? I don't know. Okay guys, I actually see this. I think this one will match better with my little tray. I want to get this one instead of that one. Okay guys, so we just got to Target. I'm about to go in here to find like some cute little Halloween like containers or like pumpkin containers and stuff for my kitchen. And then I know they have like a dollar section, so I wanted to see what they have was there because they always have like good stuff I be seeing on like Instagram. I follow like a bunch of Instagram like Target pages or whatever. Oh yeah, I already see some nice stuff. Oh my gosh, these pillows are only $5. Wait, are these in the wrong section? This blanket's nice. This is just like the early fall stuff because it's not much. Okay guys, I'm gonna get this. This is literally only $3 and it has like a little it lights up, so that's cool. So I'm gonna get this, and then this little blanket is only $5. That's why you're still with me. I was here on Monday and I already got a few things, but I just wanted to come back because I wanted to get some stuff for my kitchen counters. This is what I came for. Here's the other one that I want to get, and this is actually an actual recipe, so I think I'm gonna make this fall. I'm gonna look for some more pumpkin stuff. Maybe I should get should I get a cart? Let's get a cart.
lost again, going.
Beauty Supply lip gloss will never fail you. Okay. So it's a new day, clearly new hair who dis. So I'm getting ready to go to Hobby Lobby. I think I'm gonna go back to Michael's, but after I go to Hobby Lobby, the last store I need to go to is Home Goods. And I really wanna go to Home Goods towards like the end of the month because I feel like that's when everything will be fully, you know, fall prepared or whatever. So I don't wanna go too soon. That's gonna be like my last store to go to. I have a lot of things I wanna get from there. But I want to go to Hobby Lobby because I know they're having a crazy like 40% off sale that's like ending this week, I think. So we're gonna go there. Just got to Hobby Lobby. Let's see what we can find. Okay, so this is my first time being in this store, but I had to come this fall because I keep seeing so many reviews on YouTube about how they have the most perfect decor for fall. This pumpkin is so freaking huge. Where would you even put something like this? Oh my gosh, it's $100. Look at this pampas grass. It's literally so beautiful. OMG, I love this. But I have to have something to fit inside of it. Look at this color, oh my gosh. Okay guys, so I just got back from Hobby Lobby and this is what I got. I'm definitely gonna go back. This was just like a small addition to like what I'm gonna add on throughout the month. And I feel like pumpkins are the show inside of my house. So yeah, I got some more of those. And then I got this really cute like candy pumpkin jar. I think I'm gonna just put like candy corn in here. And then I got these LED flameless candles. I have a perfect place for these. And then you guys, how cute. So I got, hey y'all, okay, welcome to the second part of this video. I'm about to show y'all how I pimped out my crib for the fall. And yeah, y'all, let's get started. Okay y'all, so the first thing I'm doing is I'm going to be cleaning off my surface. I'm going to be hanging a wreath up here. The wreath I'm hanging is from Home Goods. I got this wreath last fall and it's literally so beautiful. So I put that up here. I think it looks so cozy. And then I'm also adding these fake pumpkins near the fireplace, which are from Hobby Lobby. You guys should have seen these earlier in the video. But yeah, love how these came out. This area looks so comfy. Next, I'm going to be working on my sofa, and I'm just taking this throw blanket that I got from Target. It was literally like $5, crazy. I'm not going to be switching out any of my year-round pillows, but I am going to add this seasonal sweater weather pillow. So cute. It came from Hobby Lobby. I'm so in love with how simple my couch looks. I feel like it looks literally perfect. It's not doing too much, and that's just what I love. So now for my TV stand, I'm adding these glitter pumpkins that I got from the Dollar Tree. I just feel like they add some more girliness to my home. So on top of my TV stand, I went in with this pumpkin vase and these LED lights. I have yet to find the perfect florals for this vase. So right now it's a little basic, but that's okay. And then over here, I added some more decor to my tray to just give this area more of a oomph. Everything came from TJ Maxx, Bath & Body Works, Target, and the Dollar Tree. Next, we have my coffee table. I'm taking this ceramic cream pumpkin that I got from the Dollar Tree, my Bath & Body Works candle that I have been using so often. It smells delicious. And then I also added my pumpkin candy jar, which has candy corn, and then I added a felt pumpkin. So cute. Now for this other area in my house, I'm just cleaning off the table. I'm adding this floral arrangement that I got from Walmart. Obviously the florals are fake. I added another candle, added this gourd pumpkin, and a little smaller felt pumpkin. And for my dining table, I'm adding more ceramic pumpkins. So cute and simple. And then for my stove area, I kind of just wanted to give like very homey, very cozy with these like recipe signs, and I don't know, I just love this area. I love to cook, so this just gives me so much warmth when I'm in the kitchen. Here I'm adding another pumpkin that I got from Home Goods. It's so pretty, so I added that on top of my island. I also added in this jack-o'-lantern like candle holder, but I ended up taking that off and just added this soap holder that's also pumpkin, and it was just so cute. And that's pretty much all, y'all. This was my house. I feel like I might do a little bit more decorating as the months go on, but for now my home feels so cozy. I love every detail, and I hope you guys do too. Okay guys, so that was my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Best believe I will be filming fall content all throughout September, October, probably even November. If you guys like this style of video, decorating with me, decor, home decor, let me know, because I will not stop. Like, I will continue to push videos out like this, but I want to film just more fall content overall. And if you guys have any video ideas, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love reading you guys' video requests. They are so helpful. But yes, you guys, thank you guys all so much for watching. Please subscribe if you're new. Follow me on all of my social media platforms. They'll be in the description box for y'all. But yeah, y'all, talk to you guys all later. Bye. Mwah.